Hello everyone. I hope you've had a wonderful day today, and welcome to our next session of Books, Bed, and Beyond Virtual Storytime. We will have these every Monday at 7 p.m. and that will be through the end of March. So definitely keep tuning in. You can subscribe to our channel and click the little bell button in order to receive notifications when you're going to hear our story time coming up. So today our story is Winnie Loves Winter by Tiffany Obeng. And this is a special book to me specifically because my daughter's name is Winnie, and she's 2 years old and she loves these story times, so I'm excited to get started, and I hope you enjoy. Winnie Loves Winter by Tiffany Obeng. There she is. I love winter. I can tell you why. I love wearing winter clothes, like my earmuffs, hats, scarves, mittens, coats, and boots. I love that it could snow, and then I could make snow angels, have a snowball fight, taste snowflakes, build a snowman. I love that I can enjoy the sweet goodness of hot cocoa, a nice warm fire, and yummy soup. I love learning fun facts about winter too. Like, did you know that winter is the coldest of the 4 months? Then we've got winter. And she circled winter down here. That's the coldest. Winter goes from December, January, and February. These are the coldest months of the year. And did you know trees stop growing in the winter so they can save their energy? What about this? Did you know the sun looks bigger in the winter? That's not all. Did you know days are shorter and the nights are longer in the winter? And some animals hibernate in the winter, like bears, wood frogs, groundhogs, and box turtles. There they all are. They're snoozing away. And I can talk about winter all day, but I would like to hear from you. What do you love about winter? The end. So be sure to let us know what you love about winter in the post on our Facebook or on our Instagram, and we will enter you in to receive a child pass to be able to come visit us for free. So enjoy the rest of your night. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope you have sweet dreams.